Just when we thought the drama of 2025 couldn't get any more intense in its final hours, the Nigerian judiciary has delivered a thunderbolt that will echo into the new year. The headline you are seeing is not a rumor, it is not a speculation, and it is certainly not a drill. A federal high court in Abuja has just ordered the remand of the former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, his son, and a third defendant, identified in reports as his wife, straight to the Kuje Correctional Center. This is the kind of news that stops you in your tracks, because we are talking about the man who was once the supreme law officer of this country, the man who signed the orders, the man who decided who went to jail and who walked free, is now sleeping in a cell in the very same prison where he sent so many others. We're going to break down every single detail of this explosive court ruling, the specific charges that have landed the entire Malami family in hot water, and the massive list of billion-naira properties that